Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India, being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 42 years of publication in the year 2022. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. IRDAI issues guidelines on surety insurance business. Regulator IRDAI came out with guidelines to ensure orderly development of the surety insurance business and surety bonds market. The IRDAI Guidelines 2022 will come into effect from April 1, 2022, the regulator said in a notification. Surety insurance pertains to a contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of a third person in case of default. As per the guidelines, the surety contracts will include advance payment bond, bid bond, contract bonds, customs and court bond, performance bonds and retention money. The insurers will be required to have a board-approved underwriting philosophy for surety insurance business. Surety bonds protect the beneficiary against acts or events which impair the underlying obligations of the principal. Surety bonds guarantee the performance of a variety of obligations, from construction or service contracts to licensing and commercial undertakings. Term insurance premiums surged by 4.18% in Q4 of 2021. The insurance industry has been facing difficulties in terms of claims as a result of the pandemic, which is putting direct pressure on customers due to reinsurers' increases in premium costs. According to an insurance aggregator, in the fourth quarter of 2021, the term insurance price index value has gone up by 4.18%. The index value has reached 23,929 rupees during the quarter. A report marks a huge difference of 9.75% in the term index value between the first quarter of 2021 and the fourth quarter. In Q4, the average yearly premium for a sum assured of Rs 1 crore increased to Rs 30,720 from Rs 29,443 rupees in the third quarter. Out of 5 life insurance companies, as many as 3 companies have revised their premium prices, wherein the biggest increase was 13.4%, followed by 4.9% and 0.9%. The remaining 2 companies kept their premiums constant. Insurer can't repudiate claim by citing existing medical condition. An insurer cannot repudiate a claim by citing an existing medical condition that was disclosed by the insured in the proposal form once the policy has been issued, the Supreme Court has said. A bench of Justices D.Y. Chandrachud and B.V. Nagaratna also said a proposer is under a duty to disclose to the insurer all material facts within his knowledge. The proposer is presumed to know all the facts and circumstances concerning the proposed insurance. While the proposer can only disclose what is known to him, the proposer's duty of disclosure is not confined to his actual knowledge. It also extends to those material facts which, in the ordinary course of business, he ought to know, the court said. IRDAI sets tenure of insurance CEOs and directors. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has aligned the tenure of chief executives and directors of insurance companies with the banking sector set by the Reserve Bank of India. The tenure of MDs, CEOs and whole-time directors of an insurance company has been set at 15 years. As applicable to banks, the prescribed maximum age of these functionaries will be 70 years. The maximum age limit for chairmen and non-executive directors has been fixed at 75 years. The total tenure of a non-executive director, continuously or otherwise, on the board of a bank should not exceed 8 years. After completing 8 years on the board, the person may be considered for reappointment only after a minimum gap of 3 years. For whole-time directors, managing directors and CEOs, the remuneration structure will be divided between fixed pay, perquisites and variable pay. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. Insurers to up term policy rates for the second time in financial year 2022. Top private life insurers are revising term insurance rates by the fourth quarter. According to industry officials, reinsurers have taken a tough stance with the new Omicron variant adding to the uncertainty. This is the second round of price increases in the current fiscal that the life insurance industry is witnessing. According to distributors, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and HDFC Life Insurance have sounded them off about the likelihood of an upward revision in the fourth quarter. HDFC Life Insurance Chief Financial Officer Neeraj Shah said, protection prices in India are a lot lower than in some of the developed countries with superior healthcare facilities and higher life expectancy. IRDAI directs Godigit to withdraw product offering life insurance benefits. Insurance sector regulator IRDAI has asked Godigit General Insurance to discontinue a product offering life insurance benefits in violation of regulatory norms. The IRDAI also asked the insurer to withdraw advertisements regarding the product from all media. IRDAI said a show cause notice was issued in August 2021 as deficiencies were observed in complying with the provisions of Insurance Act. After personal hearing chaired by IRDAI member TL Alamelu in October with the company executives, the regulator said no insurer shall carry on any class of insurance business in India unless it has obtained a certificate of registration for a particular class of insurance business. Edelweiss General Insurance joins hands with Phonepay. Edelweiss General Insurance has partnered with Phonepay, a fintech firm in the digital payment space, to offer quick and easy digital motor insurance products to all its customers. The partnership will help IRDAI reach out to Phonepay's vast and growing network of customers and offer them simple end-to-end digital solutions in the motor insurance segment. According to the press release, Phonepay customers can purchase IRDAI's motor insurance policy in just a few clicks with zero paperwork. Customers can also opt for add-on benefits like depreciation protect, engine protection, consumable expense protect, roadside assistance, key and lock protect to suit their individual needs. This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.